Today we are going to make smoothie for our breakfast. So, what are we going to do today?
We're gonna make a milk, orange and banana smoothie.
Ooh. So we are going to use the Goat Junior Formula milk. So from Viplus. So Viplus is a manufacturer of high quality milk powder for both domestic and export markets. It's also known as the goodness of milk since 1893. So what does this milk powder contain?
It contains DHA and ARA, which helps with our brain development. It also contains proteins from goats.
Wow. So what else does it contain?
It contains calcium, nutrients, and vitamins and minerals.
Alright, bring the best of Viplus dairy culture from Australia to Singapore. Here we have the milk powder. So now, let's begin. Woohoo! Now let's make the milk. 2 scoops.
One. I feel like doing dollar. Whoa.
Ooh. Oh. Come. Two.
Done.
So now we need to stir to mix it. Hang on. Why not you help me put the fruits in the blender? So she's going to put the banana into the blender here.
I want to put the orange also.
And oranges. Okay. Now let's pour the milk. You wanna pour?
Are we gonna put ice into it after this?
No. Okay, now let's blend. You wanna drink the milk?
Okay. Yummy.
Now let's blend. Ooh, now you see the beautiful color. Pour. Let's pour.
Oh, there's chunks.
It's okay.
How come I'm gonna get more?
You want more? Of course you will get more.
Okay.
Drink it and let's show them.
Nice.
Yummy?
Very nice.
Hey, it's yummy. So why do I choose the goat milk? So both goat milk and cow's milk actually are rich in calcium, but goat milk provides calcium in a more easily absorbed manner by their bodies, and it also aids them in digestion as well. He has a very weak stomach, so it's good for him to take the goat milk instead of the cow's milk. So what else does the goat milk contain? It double the amount of positive fatty acid as well. What's more, this is halal too. So Viplus Goat Junior Formula. And here's our smoothie. Cheers! Viplus also provide different varieties of milk products to cater to different groups of consumers. This is for age group from 3 years old onwards. This is for pre and post pregnancy group. This is catered for consumers who have diabetes issue and alternative for blood glucose management. This is for age group from 40 to late 50s. For consumers who fall under the age group of 60 and above. Organic full cream milk powder for consumers who prefer a milk source with natural and higher nutritional contents. health and wellness group. For consumers who are allergic to cow's milk, lactose intolerance. For consumers who have lactose intolerance. And here's for female consumers who desire to look youthful and radiant. Here we go. That's all for now. See you soon.